Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to back up your iPad using iTunes. Now this is going to back it up on your computer. You should have your settings to back up to your cloud. This is belt and braces, get it backed up to your computer. It's always worth doing. As you can see, I've got a backup to this computer already today and I have a backup to iCloud. But I'm going to do it manually, so I'm going to click on this computer tab and back up now. Now that's going to take a couple of minutes. You'll see the activity in the top menu, so top middle of the screen there. You can see that's backing up. Now once that's backed up, if you're selling your iPad, I'll be doing a video on factory reset and deleting all your data. So don't forget to subscribe because that'll be on the channel by the end of the day. Okay, now we can see that I've backed up at 12:47, so I've got a full backup on this computer. I'm going to click the automatically backup to iCloud again. I can see I've got a backup this morning at 10:22, and I've got a backup onto the computer at 12:47. So now I'm going to play around with this iPad. I'm going to factory reset it. I'm going to put it all. I'm going to do a restore the iPad from iTunes. I'm going to do all these funny things, but I know I've got two secure backups, belt and braces. Hope this has helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.